Okay, we are starting question number 6, and this question we will try to solve using partial fractions. Write down partial fractions. So whenever there is a numerator power is less, see, power of numerator is less than power of denominator, then only we can use partial fractions. Okay, if numerator power is more, then first we divide and then go ahead and do it. We'll see it in coming questions. Here we will, because numerator power is 1, you can see power of x is 1, and denominator power is x into x square, which is x cube, so that is more. So let me use partial fractions. 5x by x plus 1, x square plus 9. So can I write a by x plus 1 and bx plus c by x square plus 9. ठीक है, तो whenever we have square power, then we use two constants b and c. ठीक है, single power है तो एक constant a, और अगर square power है तो दो constants. ठीक है, what is the next step? Whatever is here in denominator is multiplied here, here and here at these three places, here, here and here. Let me show you. So 5x by x plus 1, this was the question. Okay, so I am going to multiply in each term. So let me write it like this, x plus c by x square plus 9. So I am multiplying this term everywhere, this one. So let me do it. X plus 1, x square plus 9, x plus 1, x square plus 9, and here same thing I am multiplying. ठीक है, so here देखिए x plus 1 cancel, ये भी cancel, तो क्या बचा 5x. here x plus 1 cancel, क्या बचा a into x square plus 9, b times. इधर देखिए ये और ये cancel. ठीक है, I'm sorry, this was bx plus c. तो bx plus c into x plus 1 ये बचा. अब इसको मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, राइट. तो दिस इज ax स्क्वायर प्लस 9a. क्या किया, इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर लिया. यहाँ पर दिस इज मल्टीप्लाइड, तो दिस विल बी bx स्क्वायर प्लस bx, देन मल्टीप्लाई विथ c, cx प्लस c. So till here I multiplied. After this what do? We do compare coefficients both side. ठीक है, देखिए कैसे करना है. x square coefficient, here is x square, this is x square, and that's it. Here there is no x square. So coefficient is, can I write 0 is equal to a plus b first. Okay, so what we did, we compared x square coefficient. Now let me try. If I compare x coefficients, तो यहाँ पर x का coefficient ये है और यहाँ पर ये है. ठीक है, तो can I write 5 is equal to this side is x का coefficient यहाँ पर क्या है b plus इधर है c, तो b plus c. This is equation 2. What is third that I can compare is the constant, which is 9a, and here is c, and here is nothing, no constant. So can I write 0 is equal to 9a plus c. This is equation 3. So that's how we got 3 equations. Okay, if I solve these 3, I will get a is equal to minus half. You can try it. B is half and C is 9 by 2. You can try on your own, solving 3 equations. So if I get these 3, now I can put here, which will be much easier to integrate. Correct? This A, B, C we will put here. So this will become minus half x plus 1. Correct? I have kept A. Now B and C. So b is half of x plus 9 by 2 by x square plus 9. So my question became this. Okay. And this entire method, whatever I did here, is called partial fraction method. Okay. Now I am ready to integrate this part. Okay. So let me write it here, what I am ready to integrate. This is what we are supposed to integrate. Okay. So let me write it separately. This is minus half of 1 by x dx. This is 1 by 2 can come out. X plus 9 x square plus 9 dx. Correct? So how to integrate this part? So this is clearly direct formula, right? Integration of 1 by x is this. This one, can I write separate? Half, I can separate it out. Integration of x by x square plus 9 plus integration of 9 by x square plus 9. We can separate it out, right? If you have a plus b by c, it can become a by c and b by c. This is what I did here. Perfect. Now, if you see this part, I can write just directly. I am not writing 1 by 2. This how can we integrate this part? If you see, can I take x square? यहाँ पर x square plus 9 as t. So this will be 2x dx is dt. But I have only x dx. So x dx is nothing but dt by 2. So this will become dt by 2. Integration of dt by 2. See here, x dx became what? X dx became dt by 2. ठीक है, देखिए carefully, dt by 2. And what is this part? This part I assumed as t. ठीक है. So this part, how can we integrate? Now I am ready to integrate this part. So it will be 1 by 2 into 2 will be what? 1 by 4 log of t. This is done. And what is t? T क्या था? T was nothing but x square plus 9. So that's how we can do this part. So this part is done. Now how to do this part? Plus 9 by 2. See this 2 I am taking inside, which is 9 by 2. So if I have taken inside, I am removing from here. 1 9 by 2. 1 by x square plus 3 square dx. Is it matching with some formula? If you remember, we had a formula x square plus a square integration. What was the formula? It was 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. This was the formula. So I can use it here. 9 by 2, 1 by a is 3, tan inverse x by 3 plus c. So this is my answer. So all three parts are done. This is first part, correct? This is second part, and this is third part. So this is my answer. If you want, you can write it in one line in the final answer. So that's how we can solve question number 6. Now next question. This is a very good question and important question for 2 markers in exam. Okay. So what can we do here? Focus here, x minus a. ठीक है? Can I take x minus a as t? कर सकते हैं. So what will be derivative? So dx is dt. Is it fine? Perfect. So in my question, whenever we have substitution, this method is called substitution method. Okay. In substitution, entire question should convert into t. There should be no x. अब x नहीं चाहिए anymore. तो ये x नहीं चाहिए. How to remove this x? So from here, can I write x is nothing but t plus a? From here. ठीक है, इफ x माइनस ए इज t, तो x क्या होगा, x विल बी t प्लस ए, तो ये हो जाएगा साइन t प्लस ए dt बाई साइन t, करेक्ट, बिकॉज x माइनस ए इज t नाउ. Fine. What is sin a plus b formula? It is sin a cos b cos a sin b. That's how we write. Let me write it. Sin a plus b formula क्या है guys? Sin a cos b cos a sin b. So I am using this here by sin t. ठीक है. Now can I separate it out? यहाँ पर can I separate it out? This one. So this will become sin t cos a by sin t plus this is cos t sin a by sin t, and both side dt dt. Operator is dt. Remember that. Operator is dt because dx has converted into dt now. Correct? Okay. Now this and this cancel. So integration of cos a dt plus this and this will become cot of t sin a dt. Perfect? Fine. Now what to do? Integration of cos क्या होगा? Integration of cos is nothing but sin a plus and cot का क्या होता है? We can use formula. Correct? That's how we can do. But this is a blunder. Can you tell me why this is a blunder? We can't integrate cos a into sin a. See, first thing is we have to integrate with respect to t. The operator is dt. So we have to be careful that when we are integrating, there should be some variable of t. Okay. But here I told you already a, b, c are always constant. A, B, C are constant. So cos A will also be a constant, will be treated as a constant. It will not be considered as a variable. Cos A, sin A, tan A, cosec A, B or C are not variables. These are treated as constants like 3, 4, 5. So this is a blunder. We cannot integrate like this. Okay. So we will treat it as a constant. तो कैसे होगा? तो cos A will come out 1 into dt plus sin A is also constant. ठीक है, तो ये भी बाहर आ जाएगा. All constants will come out t dt. Now integration of 1 क्या होता है? With respect to dt operator, तो it will be t plus sin A. Integration of cot is log of sin t plus c. This is a formula, direct formula application, cot of t. And what was t? We have to be careful. T was x minus a. So it will be cos a into x minus a plus sin a into log of sin of x minus a plus c. So this is my answer. Okay, solve it again on your own. 7th क्वेश्चन. ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है बिकॉज ये देखने से बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड बट सॉल्व करने में बहुत इजी है. तो एक चीज आपको याद रखना है, whenever you have log e raised to power log x, it is nothing but x. E and log kind of cancel each other. So remember this formula. Okay. So whenever we have e raised to power log x is x. Okay. Condition here, we should know the condition also. Remember, condition is the base should be e. Okay. Other way around is also true. Log of e raised to power x is also x if the base is e. So here in mostly integration we will use this formula. E raised to power log of x is always x. Okay. तो we will follow this. One more thing that you should know is, if you have, say, a log of x, so what happens? Whatever is in front of a, it goes back in the power. So it can become log x raised to power a. We can do that, correct? So let's try to solve it here. E raised to power, this is 5 with a. Log, with log, here is 5. Here, see here, this is 5. Here with log is 4. Here is 3. Here is 2. So can I take these numbers backside with power? So it will become log power x5 minus e raised to power log x4, correct? 4 is going back, divided by e raised to power log of, can I take this 3 back, x cube, ठीक है? Now this 2, ये 2 can I take back side? ले सकते हैं, तो e raised to power log x square, fine. तो this is dx, यहाँ तक ठीक है. अब देखिए, I told you e raised to power log जो भी है ये x, this comes here, है ना? तो यहाँ पर ये e और ये log चला जाएगा, यही बचेगा खाली. Here e and log चला जाएगा, only this is left over. Here these two are gone, this is left over. Here e and log gone, this is left over. By this formula, ठीक है? देखिए, तो यहाँ पर बचेगा x5 माइनस यहाँ पर x4, दिस वन, यहाँ पर x क्यूब एंड इधर x स्क्वायर, ठीक है? तो हमेशा याद रखिए e रेज टू पावर log of x is x, ठीक है? e and log kind of cancel each other and we get x. अब क्या करें? इसमें से कुछ कॉमन आ सकता है, देखिए, we can get I think x4 common, तो x minus 1, here x square common, x minus 1, clearly this is cancelling, ठीक है? और क्या कर सकते हैं आप सोचिए, क्या हो सकता है? x4 by x square क्या है? It is nothing but x square, and x square integration is x cube by 3 plus c, ठीक है? This you should know by basic formula, ठीक है?